When homeowners need window replacement Bay Oaks TX, choosing local specialists with experience in the Bay Oaks, Houston and Clear Lake market makes a major difference in comfort, curb appeal, and long-term energy savings. From home window replacement Bay Oaks TX to full residential window installation Bay Oaks TX, local crews understand Gulf Coast weather, neighborhood styles, and the importance of durable materials. Many families look for replacement windows near Bay Oaks Boulevard TX or window replacement near Bay Oaks, Houston, Texas because they want fast scheduling, accurate measurements, and dependable workmanship. With local window contractors near Bay Oaks, Texas, homeowners can upgrade aging glass, damaged frames, and outdated designs with efficient modern options. Energy performance is a top reason to invest in energy-efficient windows Bay Oaks TX and energy-efficient window replacement Bay Oaks, Houston, Texas. In the Bay Oaks, Clear Lake, and South Houston area, excessive heat and humidity can drive up utility bills, making insulated window installation Bay Oaks TX and insulated replacement windows near Bay Oaks 77062 especially attractive. Double pane window replacement Bay Oaks TX and double pane windows Bay Oaks, Clear Lake City, Texas help reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and lower strain on HVAC systems. Buyers often search for the best replacement windows Bay Oaks TX because they want better insulation, quieter interiors, and strong value for their Bay Oaks TX home. Vinyl products remain one of the most requested choices for vinyl window replacement Bay Oaks TX due to their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. Homeowners comparing vinyl windows near Bay Oaks, Texas, 77059 often prefer frames that resist warping, peeling, and moisture damage in the coastal Texas climate. Affordable window replacement Bay Oaks TX is easier to achieve with quality vinyl systems that still provide strong thermal performance and attractive finishes. Whether the project involves window upgrade services Bay Oaks TX or complete Bay Oaks TX window and glass replacement, vinyl windows continue to be a practical option for busy households near Bay Oaks Country Club, Clear Lake, and NASA Parkway. Severe weather protection matters in this part of Harris County, making storm window replacement Bay Oaks TX and hurricane-resistant window replacement Bay Oaks Gulf Coast TX highly desirable improvements. Homeowners searching for impact-resistant windows Bay Oaks TX or impact windows near Bay Oaks, Harris County, Texas want added defense against wind, debris, and harsh seasonal storms. Storm window installation Bay Oaks near Clear Lake TX can also enhance insulation and noise control while preserving the look of the home. For properties exposed to Gulf Coast conditions, replacement window contractors Bay Oaks TX often recommend reinforced frames, laminated glass, and upgraded seals for lasting reliability. Custom designs are ideal for homeowners who want unique style and precise fit, especially when ordering custom window replacement Bay Oaks TX or custom home windows Bay Oaks, Houston area. Older homes and remodeled properties often require window frame replacement Bay Oaks TX, window frame and sash replacement Bay Oaks TX, or retrofit window installation Bay Oaks TX to match existing openings without major structural changes. New construction windows Bay Oaks TX are another option for additions, rebuilds, and large-scale renovations where exact sizing and modern performance standards are essential. With residential window contractors Bay Oaks, Houston, Texas, homeowners can select frame colors, hardware finishes, grille patterns, and glass packages tailored to their goals. Window styles bring both beauty and function to homes throughout the Bay Oaks and Clear Lake communities. Casement window replacement Bay Oaks TX offers excellent ventilation and modern operation, while sliding window replacement Bay Oaks TX is ideal for wide openings and contemporary layouts. Bay window replacement Bay Oaks TX can transform a front room with more light and expanded views, and picture window installation Bay Oaks TX creates a striking focal point for living areas. Many buyers search for casement and picture windows Bay Oaks Clear Lake TX because they want a clean, upscale appearance paired with energy savings and low maintenance in their Bay Oaks TX property. Choosing the right team is critical when comparing window replacement Bay Oaks TX contractors and a window replacement company Clear Lake, Houston, Texas. Homeowners typically want best window installers. Bay Oaks, South Houston, Texas, who provide clear communication, detailed measurements, and reliable scheduling from start to finish. Window replacement. Bay Oaks TX estimates area services help property owners understand project scope, material options, and expected timelines before work begins. Whether someone is seeking affordable window installers, Bay Oaks, Houston, Texas, or premium residential window contractors, Bay Oaks, Houston, Texas, a trusted local company can recommend the right combination of performance, style, and budget for each room.